Are you ready to transform your smile? Get ready to experience the power of professional teeth whitening right in the comfort of your home. Introducing Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects, the ultimate teeth whitening strip kit that will give you a smile that lights up the room. Get ready to say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a brighter, more confident you. In just 22 days, you can achieve teeth that are an incredible 20 levels whiter. Yes, you heard it right. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects remove over 20 years of tough, set-in stains. No wonder Crest is the one dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening brand. The best part? Crest uses the same whitening ingredient as dentists, ensuring you get professional-level results without the hassle of appointments. Thanks to advanced seal technology, these strips stay securely in place while you wear them, so you can talk, work, or even enjoy a glass of water while getting that perfect smile. Applying Crest 3D Whitestrips is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just wear them for 45 minutes a day for 20 days and see the magic happen. With Crest 3D Whitestrips, you're not just whitening your teeth, you're brightening your future. Get ready to make a lasting impression. Inside this pack, you'll find 44 teeth whitening strips, 22 for your upper teeth and 22 for your lower teeth, giving you a dazzling smile that lasts. Worried about safety? Don't be. Crest 3D Whitestrips are enamel-safe and use high-quality ingredients to ensure effective and comfortable teeth whitening. Remember, if you experience sensitivity, stop using the product and consult your dentist. Safety first. Crest 3D Whitestrips are suitable for adults and even teenagers looking to enhance their smiles. Smile with confidence, laugh with joy, and let your pearly whites shine. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects, your path to a brighter, more confident smile. Order yours today. Join the countless people who have transformed their smiles with Crest 3D Whitestrips. Don't wait. Get ready to shine.